Are you listening?
Hi there.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Flash.
Wow. Do you know math?
I already know math. I learned and I also know how to do this.
Oh, that's cool. Let's do some math now. Okay?
It's minus.
Yes, it's a minus day. What is 5 minus 3?
5 minus 3 is 2.
Good job. What is 6 minus 1?
6 minus 1 is 5.
Good job again. What is 4 minus 2?
4 minus 2 is 2.
Great work, Mr. Flash. Now there is a trick question. What is 1 minus 1?
1 minus 1, 0.
Ooh, you got that right again. Great job. So Flash knows his math.